Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss statements in Python, and statements are the instructions given to the computer to perform any kind of operation, be it data movements and be it decisions or be it repeating action. Repeating action involve the loop like for and while, and decision involve the if, elif statement, etc. And data movements involve the assigning the value to the variable. And now I'm going to explain the types of statement in Python. There are three types of statement in Python: empty statement, simple statement, and compound statement. The empty statement, the simplest statement is the empty statement. That is the statement which does nothing in Python. Empty statement is pass statement. Just need to use the pass keyword for the pass statement and it does nothing. We will discuss with the practical example here in this video. Now come to the second, simple statement. Single statement is called the simple statement in Python, and this is the single statement which take the name from the user and assign it to the name variable. This is the simple statement. And print, with the help of print function, print the value of name. This is also single statement or simple statement. Now come to the third, compound statement. A group of statements executed as unit is called the compound statement. The compound statement written in a specific pattern as shown in the below. Header statement just with follow the colon, and then indented body containing the multiple or compound statement. Just I am taking a simple example of the while loop, while, and then right here the condition I greater than 0 and then colon. So this is the header statement, compound header statement, and this is the print the value of I. This is the indented body. Now I am going to explain with the practical example here. Just right here as empty statement with the pass keyword. Okay, I am just going to declare a variable I and assign the value as a 29, and write here a condition: if I less than 10, then follow the colon and then print here the value of I. Now write here else and then colon. If you do not write any statement in the else part, save it and run it, it will give the error. Look here. Okay, unexpected end while parsing, syntax error. Just write here pass statement, that is the empty statement which does nothing. Save it and run it. Okay, look here, it print nothing, but here we need to write the pass or empty statement because it is the syntactical requirement to the else part. Okay, it's a simple example for your clear the concept for the pass keyword. Now the single statement, print I is the single statement here, simple statement you can say that, and if I less than 10 colon followed by, this is the compound statement, and print I is the indented body here. So this program include all the three types of statement in Python. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks.